AFS AFM60 EtherNet IP encoders are the first high-resolution sensors of their kind to contain an active web server and function blocks that allow for field bus integration. These versatile encoders come with a web server configuration option for easier commissioning, service, and maintenance regardless of previous interface exposure and expertise. AFS encoders are single-turn and rated for 18-bit resolution. AFM encoders are multi-turn with 30-bit resolution. Shaft options are available for each type, including face mount flange solid shaft, servo flange solid shaft, and blind hollow shaft. Max shaft diameters for each option are 19mm, 10mm, and 15mm respectively. Additional features include easy configuration with the integrated web server, FTP server for firmware updates that can be applied in already existing systems or directly on site, device level ring for an enhanced system, 5 duo LED status display for easy and quick indications, thorough diagnostic check via the 32-bit fault header, round access functionality for full scalability for binary, non-binary resolutions, and transmission calculation, and individual IP address via DHCP or predefined IP address via DEC switches. Ideal for palletizing systems, storage systems, packaging, hydraulic presses, printing machines, robots, and rotary tables. Sick AFS and AFM60 encoders are flexible and robust, with 10 to 30 volts DC input and up to IP67 protection. Visit gauco.com to learn more.